cordless drill, owl, bradawl, plunger, coping saw, pipe wrench, gimlet, brace, stapler, scoffoling, lathe, cloth, riveter, bed, pickaxe, plaster, wall plug, welder, soldering gun or soldering iron, glue gun, pincers, glue, silicone gun, circular saw, paint roller, rivet, forklift truck, wire brush, wheelbarrow, digger, dump truck, washer, vise, string, tools, tool kit, toolbox, tool belt, damper, spirit, level, double open and wedge or double open and spanner, socket, shovel, screwdriver, screw, scraper, saw, sandpaper, hard hat, safety harness, ruler, rope, rake, protractor, protective headphones, protective glasses or safety glasses, plug, pliers, dustpan, plaster board, angle iron, pocket knife or pen knife, a can of paint or a tin of paint, paint brush, padlock, nut, nail, adjustable wrench or monkey wrench, steel measuring tape or steel tape measure, measuring tape, rubber mallet, knife, high visibility vest, saw blade, hand grinder, file, hand brush, hacksaw, gutter, grinding wheel, grinder blades, safety goggles, scissors, flat dry square, flash torch, face shield, combination wrench or combination spanner, ear plugs, step ladder, dustpan and brush set, dust mask, digital caliper, cut-off wheel or cutting disc, cone, concert block, Allen key, combination pliers, clamp, chainsaw, chisel, cement, cement mixer, cable, bucket, broom, axe, gloves, bolt, caliper, brake, ladder, drill,